Hey, so we had a massive day in the car yesterday. We actually ended up doing 800 Ks. We ended up making it to parks. So 800 Ks, it was a bit too much on the kids, but we wanted to get as far as we possibly could so that today wasn't as bad. We ended up just staying at the park's showgrounds, which was $25 for power and water. And it was really quiet. It was a nice little spot. So we were pretty happy to stay there for the night. There was only one other van, which was crazy. The guy said that it's usually packed every single night, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there. On the way out this morning, we actually stopped at the iconic dish from the classic Australian movie, so that was pretty cool. We've got another big drive today, and then we're heading back over to the coast, where we'll have a farm stay for a couple of nights, so we're pretty keen to get there and get settled. We're just driving over from Dubbo to Newcastle, and the drive is so pretty. It's a meadow at Bluebell Hill. It's a farm stay on hicamps, and it looks really cute. It's not far from Taree and about half an hour from the coast, so we're pretty excited. Look how cute it is. How bloody good is this place? We've got the Stavos on holidays. Hey guys, so the Bluebell farm stay is about half an hour from the coast, so we're just heading out today just to explore the area, hit up all the beaches around, maybe get the surfboards out and hopefully get a cannery for lunch. It is so nice here at the Bluebell. It's actually a working farm, so they have cows, sheep and horses here, and they've set everything up so nicely for the kids. They've got like rock painting and a little enchanted forest and a beautiful creek that runs through the whole property. It's such a good spot. I'll drop the link for the hicamps pages in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. We really appreciate it. Tune in next week to see the next part of our trip in South Ballina.